Hi, I'm Terry, and I'd like to invite you to be part of something that's bigger than yourself. If you've ever wanted to support missions throughout the world, or give a chance to a child, or empower a teacher, we have an opportunity for you. Thursday night, this Thursday, November 14th at 6:30, we'll be having a night of music at Mugs with me and some of my friends. From 6:30 to 8:30, we're going to have a fabulous concert where we'll have specialty coffees and desserts available for purchase. And we're going to have the opportunity for you to reach beyond our community into the Dominican Republic and change a child's life forever. All the proceeds from this concert will go towards teacher salaries. We're partnering with a church in the Dominican Republic who works with 80 kids before school every day for 3 hours to make sure those students have what they need to become part of society in the Dominican in a healthy way, to learn about God and to learn some fantastic music skills. We hope that you'll join us this Thursday night at 6:30 at Mugs on Main Street in North Little Rock. Tickets are $30 per person, but they get you a great night of entertainment, and all the proceeds will go towards those teacher salaries. It's only $175 a month for a salary for a teacher in the Dominican Republic. We're talking about changing the lives of teachers and changing the lives of students. Come join us for a fantastic evening. We're gonna have 2 drum sets set up for silent auction purchase. Christmas is coming. You know you need to come bid on those drum sets and join us for some great music, some fabulous friends, and a lot of good food. There's more information available in the lobby, or you can find us at darylsmusicmakers.com or check us out on Facebook. We'll see you Thursday at 6:30 at Mugs.